What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for Barclays Bank's online banking account. Now before moving forward, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's move forward. So the first step, search for Barclays Bank login and click on the first link over here. It'll take you to this website. Over here, click on versus register. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this website. Over here, scroll a bit down and click on start. Now once you do that, it's going to ask you to fill up this form. Now after you fill up this form by entering your last name or your surname and entering your date of birth over here like this, and then entering a postcode of where you live, and then choosing the type of account you have right now on Barclays Bank and entering the information according to that. And after filling up this entire form over here, just like I'm doing over here like this, tick mark this box, which means you're agreed to its terms and service. Click on next. It's gonna ask you to confirm yourself, and then your account will be created. So hope you guys understand, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye.